Hey everybody, my name's Joe. I'm here to talk to you about the Cleveland Kettles. First thing I'd like to talk to you about is the rolled rim. We actually form our rim and roll it over the edge, which makes it very durable and high quality. Some of our competitors will weld their rim on there, and over time they can crack. You get cracks in there where food particulate get in there. It's not a safe environment. The second thing, all of our kettles have true kettle capacity, meaning they're real working capacity. This has a sticker on the side that shows you where the 12-gallon mark is at. The next thing I'd like to talk to you about is a safety feature. It's our marine latch. It used to be an option for marine board use. We put it standard on all of our countertop kettles now to stop accidental spillings in the kitchen, which makes it safer for your operators. The next thing is the solid state controller. It has a built-in on-off switch. That's connected up front with this military spec 10K potentiometer, which is really resistant to getting water in there. It's a very high quality part. This attaches to a solid state temperature control unit that is accurate plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. So you're never gonna get that possible boil over when you're just trying to simmer inside of this kettle. The next thing I'd like to talk to you about is the ST28 stand with the drawer in it. This really makes it convenient for the users to put this in the existing lineup of kitchen equipment, particularly when you don't have a trough out front. There's a drain in the back that actually funnels down into a trough that allows all of that wastewater to go down and collected in the trough, which then can be plumbed to a floor drain down the line. All of these unique features is what gives us the Cleveland advantage.